Monday, practice whatever taught in class 2 times. Tuesday, MCQ from sheet. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This we did, I think 1 to 20 we have done. Huh? No, 28 we have done. Huh?
Yes, sir.
27.
Yes.
27
Yes.
we did. 1 to 27. Okay. So 1 to 27, same you practice on that day. Then Wednesday, practice whatever taught in class 2 times. Thursday till 27 we have done from sheet. So from sheet 28 to 50 you try. I will send the solution of this. Friday, what? See, I'm telling whatever taught in the class, that means I'm not doing from sheet, that 1 to 7. I'm doing some other topic that was work for energy. So topic which I will be doing, I'm telling you which one I'm doing. So whatever taught in class, practice 2 times. Saturday, 51 to, this is 51 to 70 from sheet you can do. Solution of this part I will send you from sheet. Then Sunday will be test on MCQ from sheet 1 to 70 plus Monday, Wednesday, Friday's covered. Okay. टॉपिक फॉलोड ना, इट इज एमसीक्यू टेस्ट
Yes,
1
sir.
to 70 में से और मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे जो सीखा होगा उसमें से. दिस इज व्हिच डेट? आई थिंक 11 11 10 20. Please write down so that I can start. Once you tell complete, tell me so that I can start with the topic.
Done, sir.
Done? Okay,
Done, sir.
fine. Now today's MCQ topic is momentum and collision. Momentum and collision. Momentum and collision. One more sheet I am sending you. From that I am going to do momentum and collision. 1 second, wait. I'm just sending one more sheet to you. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, come to sum number 6. I'm doing all on momentum. So it will not be in sequence. It will be topic based now. Sixth one. The force acting on a particle of mass m, force acting on a particle of mass m, this is 2 0 1 2 0 2 4 6 4 6. Okay, here it is 6 and 3. And this is minus 3. Here time is given, and this is force in newtons. 0 to 8 second. So it is 0 2 4 6 8. This way it is 0 2 4 6 8 0 3 6 minus 3 at the denominator, and then further. Force F acting on the particle of mass m is indicated by force time graph. Change in momentum of the particle over time interval from 0 to 8 second is. What is change in momentum? Force is defined as change in momentum
Force
upon
is
time.
defined as
So can I say change in momentum is F into delta t? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So it is area under graph of F and T.
Yes.
That is area under graph of F versus T. One by one will find the area. What is area of first graph? Can you tell me? First area? Half of
6 into 2.
2 into 6. Base is 2 into height is 6.
Yes, sir.
ये फर्स्ट हो गया. नेक्स्ट वाला देखो, लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ आएगा ना. ये 2 to 4. 2 to 4, what is the distance? 2 na? Into minus 3. Momentum is negative vector, so therefore you have to consider minus sign. Plus, now 4 to 8, it is 4 into 3. अभी ऐड करके चेक कर लेते हैं क्या आ जाएगा टोटल. इधर ही लिखता हूँ 4 into 3 to avoid confusion. Now final answer I am writing. 2 cancel, so it is 6 minus 6 plus 12 equals to 12. 12 Newton second, option C. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, try sixth one.
Done, sir.
Yes. Now come to 46. 46. Page number 5, 46. Did you get that 46?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
A 12 kg bomb, 46. A 12 kg bomb at rest explodes into two pieces. Two pieces. Mass 4 kg and 8 kg respectively. Momentum of 4 kg is 20 Newton second. Kinetic energy of 8 kg is how much? So if you know momentum, then you can find kinetic energy by using formula. Kinetic energy is p square upon 2m. You can find kinetic energy if you know momentum by using this formula. फिर से समझा देता हूँ. 12 kg bomb is at rest. It explodes into two pieces. Mass 4 and 8. Momentum of 4 is 20. Kinetic energy of 8 we want. I said if I know momentum, I can find kinetic energy by using this formula. Check how we get this formula. What is kinetic energy? Is it half mv square?
Yes, sir.
This I multiply by m and divide by m. So numerator will become m square v square.
Yes, sir.
What is m into v?
Momentum.
Momentum.
Momentum. So can I say it is p square upon m? कल आपको दिया था मैंने ये सम्स ऐसे टाइप के.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो अगर आपका दिमाग क्लिक होता है तो मोमेंटम से काइनेटिक एनर्जी वी कैन फाइंड बाय दिस फॉर्मूला. दिस मच यू राइट as per what you can see, then I'm showing you the solution.
Done, sir.
So now I told I got idea. If I get momentum, I can find kinetic energy of second one. Sure. Avan, what is meaning of explode?
In what, sir?
They're telling 12 kg bomb explodes. What is meaning of explode?
Sir, break into pieces.
Okay, breaks into pieces. मतलब फूट गया है ना, वो फूट गया.
हाँ सर, फूट गया.
फूट गया. अच्छा कथन, ये फोड़ने के लिए हम लोग ने फोर्स दिया क्या बॉम्ब को?
No, sir.
वो अपने आप फूट गया ना जगह पे.
हाँ, sir.
So when no force acting, then Vaibhav, what property you know about momentum? If no force acting, then what is about momentum? Vaibhav, can you hear? Hello, Vaibhav? Yes, Vaibhav, can you hear? Pranjali?
Yes, sir.
When no force given, then what property about momentum we know? Rajvardhan?
It will be same as acceleration.
No, momentum can't be acceleration. ना. There are two different identities, two different physical quantities. एक A है, दूसरा M D है. एक बार मैं फोर्स मोमेंटम समझ सकता हूँ, फोर्स एक्सेलरेशन, मोमेंटम एक्सेलरेशन, नो नॉट ट्रू. यस संदेश, एनी आइडिया? देखो जो भी आपको आता है बोलो. प्रांजलि ने बोला, मैंने डाउट क्लियर कर दिया कि वो नहीं हो सकता. राजवर्धन, बिकॉज जब भी डाउट क्लियर होगा तो आपका मिस्टेक कम होएगा.
Sir, there will be no momentum.
हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है क्या? हेलो,
Sir, there will be no momentum.
there will be no momentum, you are saying. Okay. Rajvardhan, what do you say? I think Avan said there will be no momentum. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Just wait. There will be something to the momentum. No momentum is again not true. Rajvardhan, what do you say?
Sir, no idea.
No problem. No idea also possible.
Sir,
So it will be constant.
linear momentum.
Will be constant.
Yeah.
Momentum will be constant is perfectly perfect. So property is when the external force acting on the system is zero, then momentum is conserved. That means momentum remains constant. Does it now reminds you the theory? By law of conservation of
Yes, sir.
momentum? Yes.
Done.
बड़ा
Yes.
चैप्टर है ना, इससे इतना चैप्टर एक टॉपिक से एक साथ है तो आप भूलने वाले हैं. इससे मैंने टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करके पहले सोचा इस पे ही बहुत कर देता हूँ. सो हियर नो फोर्स एक्टिंग, अपने आप फूट गया. सो कैन आई से सिंस नो फोर्स इज एक्टिंग, टाइम लगेगा चलेगा, चैप्टर परफेक्ट बनाना है अपने को, क्योंकि इसके बाद का चैप्टर सब स्मूथ जाने वाला है. नो फोर्स इज एक्टिंग, मोमेंटम इज कंजर्व. यस करण, करण बोरा.
Yes,
हेलो.
sir.
Momentum is conserved means exactly what? Anay? If somebody says no force acting, momentum is conserved, so what we should understand?
So final is equal to initial.
That means can I say initial momentum is equal to final
Yes,
momentum?
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
very good. हाँ, यही खाली क्लिक होना चाहिए, बस खत्म. अभी initial momentum equal to final momentum. Initial momentum तो it was at rest, so can I say zero?
Yes, sir.
Because mass into velocity rest पे है ना, start पे तो zero. बाद वाला momentum क्या होएगा? Momentum is vector quantity, so p1 bar plus p2 bar, ये final momentum का total zero. समझ गया ये लाइन, थर्ड लाइन?
Yes.
So linear momentum zero means sum of momentum with this vector quantity is zero. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So can I say minus p1 vector should be p2 vector or not? प्लस इधर आया तो माइनस हुआ ना? Yes, I hope you are following.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अभी मोमेंटम का मैग्नीट्यूड सेम होएगा तभी तो रिजल्ट जीरो होगा ना. दिस मीन्स मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ P1 is same as magnitude of P2. मेरा तो काम खत्म हो गया. So 20 is P2. Tell me kinetic energy of second क्या होएगा? P2 square upon 2m or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
P2 is 20, we got 20 का square 400. Mass of second is 8 into 2. 8 into 540. that is equals to 25 joule. Any doubt in the sum? Very very important sum for medical student. JEE में थोड़ा सा अलग आएगा क्योंकि वो लोग बोलेंगे डायरेक्शन सेम नहीं है, परपेंडिकुलर है. आगे करता हूँ. Yes, I hope you all have followed this properly.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
very beautiful, some conceptual copy. Just check.
Done, sir.
Done? Everybody is done? Can I clear it now? देखो लास्ट 2 वीक थियरी किया, इतना फील मजा नहीं आ रहा था. ये वीक पूरा एमसीक्यू करेंगे. Can I clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come to sum number 43. Sum number. This angle is given 60 degree. 60 degree. A rigid body, a rigid ball of mass m strikes a rigid wall at 60 degree and gets reflected without loss of speed as shown in the figure. What is value of impulse imparted by the ball? First of all, it is one dimensional or two dimensional? Hello? This is 1D or 2D? You are not saying, my voice is not audible to you all?
Sir, just a minute.
Is it 1D or 2D?
Sir, 2D.
2D, because 1D मतलब एक straight line होता है ना, either only x
हाँ.
or only y. ये inclined है, मतलब दो component होएगा ना इसका.
Yes, sir.
तो first vertical का देखता हूँ. What is, we want what is impulse? Impulse means what? What is impulse? Change in momentum is called impulse, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We have studied change in momentum is impulse, or force into time is impulse. But this is two directional wala impulse. So first I'm finding horizontal, then vertical, then resultant. Just resolving this into two components. So this is velocity v, it returns back with v. If this is 60, तो ये भी 60 है क्या नहीं? Alternate angle.
Yes, sir.
तो इधर कंपोनेंट क्या आएगा बोल सकते हैं क्या? ये हॉरिजॉन्टल वाला कॉस में आएगा ना,
ये cos theta, sir.
और ये साइन में आ जाएगा बराबर. और ये
हाँ,
वाला
sir.
भी ऐसा दो पार्ट में स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं. Now this is 60, this is 60, corresponding angle. So this side is v cos 60 and v sin 60. So in horizontal direction, change in momentum or impulse change in momentum is equals to final momentum minus initial momentum. Final momentum is m into v cos 60 towards left, so minus of this is towards right, so mv cos 60, that is minus 2 mv cos 60 minus 2 mv into 1 by 2, that is equal to minus mv. So in magnitude impulse equals to mv. Okay, हेलो.
Yes, sir.
अभी वर्टिकल में नो चेंज, बिकॉज दोनों का डायरेक्शन भी सेम है, मैग्नीट्यूड भी सेम है ना. चलो इतना कॉपी करो पहले. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Done.
Okay, vertical direction there is no impulse because there is no change in direction of velocity as well as its magnitude. Both are v sine, correct ना?
Yes, sir.
चलो लिख देता हूँ, नहीं तो आप भूल जाएंगे, वो भी लिख देता हूँ. In vertical direction change in momentum equals to mv sine 60. In downward final is minus, वो वाला भी downward है, तो minus of minus mv sine 60, that will become minus mv sine 60 plus mv sine 60, total will become 0. तो खाली एक ही आया mv, ऑप्शन ए. द प्लानर का किसी ने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया रहेगा तो पोस्ट कर देना जरा कॉमन ग्रुप पे.
Sir, I will post it.
हाँ प्लीज पोस्ट इट, नहीं तो मुझे क्या फिर वो रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहा हूँ मैं, दैट आई कैन लिसन. प्लस जस्ट
Yes.
प्लानर का खाली स्क्रीनशॉट लिया रहेगा तो पोस्ट कर देना प्लीज.
Yes, sir. I will do it.
थैंक यू.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, very good sums we are doing. Any doubt comes, please ask. Again I am telling, ये चैप्टर के बाद का चैप्टर आपको कोई नया कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं आएगा, इसमें से ही सब आने वाले आगे.
Sir,
Yes,
the
yes.
option is A, no?
Option is A, correct?
Yeah.
Now come to sum number 50. Sum number 50. 50. Mohit, can you read 50?
Yes, sir.
Read it louder.
An explosion breaks a rock into 3 parts in a horizontal plane. 2 of them go off at right angles to each other. The first part of mass 1 kg moves with a speed of 12 meter per second. and the second part of mass 2 kg moves with 8 meter per second speed. The third part, if the third part flies off with 4 meter per second speed, then its mass is
Third part flies with 4 meter per second, then its mass is how much? Okay. Now I told JEE में ऐसा आ सकता है 3 वाला. An explosion breaks into 3 parts in a horizontal plane. 2 of them goes at right angle. तो ये दोनों right angle बनाया मैंने. First part has mass of 1 kg. Speed of, so m1 is 1 kg, speed is 12. And second part has mass of 2 kg, speed of 8. Third part moves with speed of 4. What is its mass? This is the question. Question followed first. Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, yes,
sir.
Explosion breaks a rock. अब ये रॉक का कितना मास है मालूम नहीं, लेकिन एक्सप्लोड हो गया 3 पार्ट में. 1, 2, 3. 2 are going perpendicular to each other. Third we don't. Did we apply any force or not?
Sir, we did not apply any force.
अपने आप वो रॉक एक्सप्लोड हो गया ना, ड्यू टू अनस्टेबिलिटी शायद अंदर. So no force is applied. So can I say momentum is conserved?
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of momentum conserved? Initial momentum equal to final.
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 Is momentum scalar or vector? Momentum is scalar or vector?
Sir, vector.
Vector. So whenever you are adding, it should be vector addition. So initial momentum to 0 because you have it was at rest. Then P1 vector plus P2 vector plus P3 vector का result 0 चाहिए क्या नहीं? Hello?
Yes, sir.
हाँ sir.
Yes.
तो फर्स्ट टू ये राइट एंगल बोला है, तो इसको पहले मैं इधर लेता हूं. -P3 is resultant of P1 bar comma P2 bar का resultant which are perpendicular. अभी देखो हर एक चैप्टर का कैसा यूज हो रहा है इसमें. -P3 bar का मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल्स टू what is resultant of two vectors those who are in parallel? How to find? Perpendicular. By mistake I told parallel. Perpendicular. If two vectors are in same direction, what is result? Add. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Opposite then subtract. Perpendicular then Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir.
So it is P1 square plus P2 square का Pythagoras theorem. P1 मतलब M1 V1 उसका स्क्वायर, P2 मतलब M2 V2 उसका स्क्वायर, और ये दोनों का पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. प्लीज कॉपी टिल दिस.
Done, sir.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. So m1 v1 square plus m2 v2 square is the resultant. m1 is 1 kg, v1 is 12, so 1 into 12 ka square, m2 is 2 into 8 square of that. What is 12 square? Is it 144?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
8 into 2 16, 16 square, 16 square
256.
256, 256 plus 144 कितना हो गया?
400.
400, correct? 400. What is square root of 400?
20.
20.
20. 20. So those who are trying for medicine, see, maths also will come. Huh? So this is equals to root of 400, which is 20. So I got P3 ka magnitude is 20, which is resultant of Pythagoras of P1 and P2. So this is M3, V3 is 20. M3 I don't know, V3 is 4, is 20. So M3 is 5 kg. Okay, understood the sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Solve now.
Done, sir.
Yes, done. $52. A shell of mass 5m acted upon by no force. No force आया और explode मतलब momentum conserve. Initially at rest. Bursts into 3 segments of mass m, 2m and 2m respectively. The first 2 fragments move in opposite direction. Oh, चलो ऐसा मैं बना देता हूँ, opposite direction. They move in opposite direction. First 2 segments move in opposite direction with velocity of 2v and v. The third fragment will be. First 2 fragments move in opposite direction. Then third will be. So if one is moving, suppose from here, in this way, second will move in this direction, third I don't know.
Sir, is it option A?
Will move with velocity v in direction perpendicular to other 2. Perpendicular, how we got? M, because this is first, this is second, this is third, this is moving with velocity v, this is opposite, First two fragments are moving with 2v and v in opposite direction. V and 2v in opposite direction. Mass is 2m. The third fragment will be what? Its mass is 2m. Shell of total mass 5m. एक सेकंड सॉल्व करते हैं. Burst into three parts, m, 2m, 2m. First to move in opposite direction with velocity 2v and v. Sorry, 2v and v. Respectively. Third fragment will move with what velocity and direction they have given. Check करते हैं, रुको. Can I say no force is acting means momentum is
conserved.
Yes. No force or force is zero. Therefore, momentum is conserved. Therefore, 0 equals to P1 bar plus P2 bar plus P3 bar. Now, P3 is ulta. So, P1 bar, this is in direction minus of minus because direction is ulta plus P3. So, P3 का magnitude will be P1 minus P2 का difference का magnitude. This is M3 into V3 is equals to mass is M, speed is 2V, first वाला, second is mass 2M and speed is V. तो मुझे तो आंसर ये 0 मिल गया, M3V3. So I can say C will be at rest, no? Third will be at rest.
At rest, sir.
At rest. I now followed meaning?
Yes, sir.
Solve 50. Same concept. So 3, 4 I am doing so that you get the idea. किधर जा रहे हो? किधर जाना है आपको? किधर जाना पड़ेगा? आपने बात हुआ इधर दे सकते? तो तभी वो उधर क्यों लेके गया था? क्योंकि वो एक्सेल ऑटो उसका था. तो इधर जाएंगे और का है, सिर्फ स्लिप देना है. राहुल उधर स्लिप दे दोगे तो कर लेगा. और इधर खुद देना पड़ेगा, उधर वो खुद लेके लेना. अच्छा, पूछ लेना उसको इधर चलेगा क्या? बात किया आपने? चलता है. नहीं, पूछ लेना अच्छे से. राहुल बोला स्लिप दे देना. अंदर सामान्य बन देख लेना उन्नीस वगैरह छतरी ले लो.
Done, sir.
Yes. Now come to sum number 58. Will you try on your own? 58. Shell of mass 10 kg, moving with velocity 10, moving with velocity of 10 meter per second. When it blasts and forms two parts of mass 9 kg and mass 1 kg. First mass is stationary. Velocity of second part we want. Nine kg is at rest and second 1 kg ka velocity you want.
So 100.
Answer 100? Yes, correct. So again, same principle. Initial momentum equals to final momentum. Initial mass is 10, speed is 10. Finally, 9 ka speed is 0 and 1 ka speed you have to find, which is V2. So 100 equals to V2, correct. 100. Then 59. After this, I'm doing 59. A stationary bomb explodes into two parts of masses.
Honey bun sugar.
Who is this? A stationary bomb explodes into two parts of masses 1:3 if heavier mass moves with 4. The ratio of two mass is 1:3. Then M2 is heavier. So this is moving with mass velocity of 4. What is velocity of lighter mass? We have to calculate. Earlier, suppose mass is capital M, splits into two mass, M1 and M2. M1 upon M2 is 1/3. Then what will be the velocity of first mass if second is moving with 4?
Option.
Pardon?
Is it option A?
Option A, correct. डायरेक्शन उल्टा होएगा ना, बिकॉज पहले रेस्ट पे था, बाद में रेस्ट अभी पॉसिबल है.
sir.
तो ऐसा लिखता हूं मैं पहले. देखो फिर से, फोर्स इज 0 है, तो इनिशियल मोमेंटम इक्वल टू फाइनल मोमेंटम. Initial momentum equal to final. Initial is mass into velocity 0. This is P1 bar plus P2 bar. So that means minus P1 bar should be P2 bar. That means direction is opposite because a positive and negative. So direction opposite I got. Now we have to find magnitude. magnitude of one should be magnitude of other. So M1 V1 should be M2 V2. That means M1 upon M2 is V2 upon V1. This is 1 upon 3 equals to V2 upon V1 4. M1 upon M2 is V2 upon V1. V2 is 4. V1 we have to calculate. So therefore V1 equal to 12 meter per second. Okay. Option A correct one 59 ka. A 12 opposite to heavier. All the sums you have understood of explosion wala?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Acha. Hello? Page developer? Where it is? Madam, I'm not able. After this, come to some 1 second. Huh? Come to one minute. Huh? 1 minute. I'm telling with some. Uh, okay. Come to 163. 21 page number, sum number 163. 161 and then 163.
An object all.
Huh? What you're telling?
161 and 161.
Huh?
So 161 and 163.
161. Then we'll do 163. Then we are going to do 166. All are same type. So therefore I have selected them together. Sum number 161. An object initially at rest. So object initially at rest breaks into 1, 2, 3 segment A, B, C. A, B, C. The momentum of first one is Pi cap. Second is root 3 times P, root 3 times P1 bar, where P is positive. Then what is momentum of C? First वाला Pi cap है. pi cap root 3 times pj, where p is positive, momentum of c will be in which direction? Take 1 minute. If you are not getting, then I'm solving for you.
Sir, is the option B?
Option, what you are getting? B.
B.
D, I think D is not correct. D you are getting.
Yes, sir.
Option you are telling it is D. Option D is slightly confusing. Let us check others what you have done. ठीक है, वापस मैं try करता हूँ. Object is initially at rest, breaks into 3 segments. Momentum of A is pi bar. Momentum of B is root 3 pj bar, where p is positive number. What is momentum of C?
Sir,
Yes.
is it option C?
Option C is correct. So did you start like this? 0 equals to P1 bar plus P2 bar plus P3 bar?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Correct. 0 equals to. What is P1? Pi cap, no?
Yeah, I get it.
And this is root 3 Pj cap. This will be P3 bar. So P3 bar, when you take on that side, minus of P3 bar is Pi bar plus root 3 Pj bar. So what will be magnitude of P3 bar? It will be root of
Root of sir. Yes, sir.
Pi मतलब x is P ना?
One.
So 1 square plus root 3 का square. That means 1 plus 3 root of 4 equals to 2. Hello?
Yes, sir.
2 I pi cap root 3 pj cap, p is the number. So it will be like as we say ax I cap. So this p is my coefficient, root 3 p is coefficient. So in root 2 पहला coefficient लिखा, so I can say this is 2p. बराबर? That is 2p. Hello?
Yes, sir.
तो 2p तो मैग्नीट्यूड मिला, अभी डायरेक्शन चाहिए आपको. How to get direction? Tan alpha equals to y coordinate upon x coordinate. How much is alpha? 60 degree.
60
but
degree.
ये माइनस है, ये माइनस है ना. 90 plus 60 will become 150, तभी माइनस आएगा ना tan alpha. See, because this is negative, so it should be tan of 90 cot of 90 plus alpha. आंसर क्या लगता है? Just do till 2p, then I'm doing further. Just I'm clearing the diagram if you have done till 2p.
Yes,
Copy
sir.
till,
Done.
copy till alpha also 60. Then I will conclude how we can get mine. Can I rub this now, everything, and show on the XYZ axis?
Yes, sir.
Sure. This is P I cap. This is root 3 P J cap. So this is A, this is B, and J is minus 60. Minus 60 means take in clockwise direction from x-axis. So this will be that third wala. Minus 60 angle. Now from top here, what is this with respect to B? 90 plus 60, how much? 150, na? That is 150
Yes, sir.
degree with B. Therefore option A is along x-axis, second one is along B, and third is minus 60. Minus 60 means clockwise direction. So with respect to B, it is at 150 degree. Shall we go to the next sum? 163?
Yes, sir.
Sure. 163. A particle of mass 4m is at rest, explodes into 3 fragments. 2 fragments each of mass m are found to move with velocity v in perpendicular direction. M mass wala with velocity v is moving perpendicular to each other. The total energy released in the process of explosion will be how much? So if I get third ka momentum, which is missing, then I can find energy is P1 square upon 2m plus P2 square upon 2m plus P3 square upon 2m. Correct now?
Yes, sir.
So 0 equals to P1 bar plus P2 bar plus P3 bar. Therefore, magnitude P3 bar minus is P1 bar plus P2 bar. But P1 and P2 are perpendicular. They have given. So it will become in magnitude root of MV is same. So m square V square plus m square V square. That is nothing but root 2 times MV. Okay? It's P2. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So root 3 times MV is nothing but P3. The total kinetic energy is P1 square by 2m m1 plus P2 square upon 2m2 plus P3 square upon 2m2 मस्त समझे P1 मतलब यही root 2 MV MV मतलब PM ना sorry hello
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
P1 means MV
Yes, sir.
Yes.
square what you will get M square V
V
square
square.
upon 2 times mass plus same है ये M square U square upon 2 times mass plus root 2 का square is 2 M square V square. What will be mass of third one? Total mass is 4m. Third ka mass?
2m.
2m, correct. 2m. So now ये 2 cancel. What is LCM? 2m, 2m, 2m na? Is only 2m? 2m, 2m, 2m means 2m na? Hello? Are be quick man. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So this is numerator just directly add. It is 3 times m square v square. एक m cancel करो मस्त समाया ये भी 3/2 mv square है क्या किधर 3/2 mv square बी ऑप्शन बी मस्त सम था एकदम 163 ऑप्शन बी if completed then last sum for today 166 this I want you are solving I will give you 2 minutes total time we have got 5 minutes आर्यन बागवे संदेश क्षितेश कुछ डाउट
No, sir.
हाँ क्षितेश ओके ये सब में डाउट नहीं मतलब आप एकदम सही काम कर रहे हो आप 163 can I clear from the screen
Yes, sir.
okay
Sir,
हाँ
option is C, 5 kg.
option which one you are telling 166
Yes, sir.
yes correct
Yes, sir. 5 kg.
Yes, sir. 5. It is 5 only.
correct 5 others also are getting same 5
Yes, sir.
so how was the sums today all interesting no
Yes, sir.
today we did collision in fact momentum वाला क्या next lecture collision का करेंगे collision मतलब याद है ना कौन सा head on collision elastic collision coefficient of restitution
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
that type so shall we stop today now have you understood all the sums
Yes, sir.